I'm Art Godwin King and I'm an NFT artist, concept artist, and an art generalist. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be teaching you how to go into your NFT. I know you've been hearing about NFT or you're already in the NFT space. Well, this is the channel for you to get more information because I'll be teaching you how to create your MetaMask wallet, how to get on OpenSea in the simplest of terms. Like, I know you check and research so much and it's giving you so much headache. Have headaches no more, because I'll be explaining every single thing step by step, inking, coloring, and uploading with a video showing you every single step. I know a lot of us have been restricted, especially here in Nigeria. We've been restricted from going on the NFT and the crypto space. Well, fear no more. I'm solving that problem because there are so many ways for you and I to make money in this space.
Although this is not about making money, this is about building trust, building that connection with your collectors and your fans of your art and photography. That is what it's about.
Goal is to connect you to the world, to bring in collectors. Why do collectors talk about your work? Why do collectors want to collect your work? To bring in NFT artists as well. Why are NFT artists creating so much amazing work in this Twitter space? Like, I see it so much and I'm so amazed by the quality. The quality is top notch. Africans are killing it. The world is killing it in this NFT space. The NFT space is pretty new, so things are still being revealing. So we are going to be checking it out together. I know a lot of you that are already into this NFT space are having tons of DMs of people wanting to get in here and asking you. This is the perfect channel for you to send them because I'm breaking down every single thing.